Is your bathroom a place that you enjoy actually using, or do you just use it because you have to? Well, take a look at this transformation that we've just completed with John McPartlin from JMC Building Services and Liam McBean with the help and trustness of us from NXT Hardware Bathrooms. The first thing hitting you in this bathroom is the stunning brushed brass fixtures and fittings. They are luxury, they're hotel iron vibes, and they're modern. On the walls, we've gone for the Sintra solid core wall panels. They're easy maintenance, they're fully waterproof, fully hygienic, and they're so easy to put up. But the real showstopper in this bathroom is the cashmere slat panels behind the vanity unit. These cashmere slat panels add that high-end luxury hotel vibe. Underfoot, we've gone for the SPC Lease fully waterproof flooring. Talking about vanity units, we've gone for this beautiful 1100ml white gloss vanity unit. This vanity unit comes with heaps of storage. You've got a 2-door vanity unit. We've paired this with the matching fixings for the brushed brass handles. We've then gone for a rimless back to wall pan. Now, if you're not using Rimless yet, you really need to get to know. It's so much more hygienic and easier to clean. We've then gone for the brushed brass push button and the brushed brass tap, waste and overflowing. Moving over to the shower, we've gone big with a 1700x900 stone effect shower tray. We've even gone for the matching brushed brass waste because in this design we don't do mismatched details. To keep things cosy, we've added a 500x1200 flat panel designer brushed brass radiator, and I think we can all agree it's a showstopper. This incredible transformation was handled by Liam McBean and John McPartlin and all of the entire team at JMC Building Services. So if you're ready to design your next bathroom, then why not come and see us and we can help you put you with fitters like John and Liam and the team at NXT Hardware Bathrooms, Unit 2, 110 Whitby Street South in Hartlepool, TS24 7LP. Or give me a call on 01429 869 838 and ask for Lucy.